Hi there, today we're diving into how to manage your finances smartly and confidently. Are you tired of the stress caused by unexpected expenses? Dreaming of building a financial safety net to feel secure in any situation? Then this video is for you. We'll walk through 9 simple yet powerful steps, from creating a financial reserve and budgeting, to learning how to invest wisely and set achievable goals. These tips will not only strengthen your financial position, but also bring you closer to the freedom you've always dreamed of. Make sure to watch until the end to discover how to automate savings, make smart use of discounts, and find additional income streams. Let's get started. Create a financial safety net. Start saving at least 10% of every income to cover unforeseen circumstances. This will help you avoid debt and stress related to sudden expenses. Ideally, your safety net should cover 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Build and stick to a budget. Track your income and expenses to get a clear picture of your finances. Categorize expenses, essential and non-essential, and try to avoid impulsive purchases. Use budgeting apps to make the process easier. Invest in self-education. Knowledge is an asset that can generate income. Learn the basics of financial literacy, explore investment tools, and find courses or books to improve your skills. Don't keep money under the mattress. Inflation erodes the value of money over time, so consider ways to grow it. Open a savings account, explore deposit options, or start small investments like ETFs. Avoid reckless debt. Loans and installment plans might seem convenient, but interest can lead to overpaying. Before taking on debt, ensure it's necessary, and you can repay it without straining your budget. Avoid credit cards unless you're confident in your ability to pay off balances on time. Set financial goals. Define what you want to achieve. Save for a vacation, buy a car, create passive income, or retire early. Break your goals into short-term, medium-term, and long-term, and work towards them step by step. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account right after receiving income. This helps resist the temptation to spend what you've set aside. Regularly review your expenses, analyze your spending monthly. You'll be surprised how much you can save by canceling unnecessary subscriptions or optimizing utility costs. Master discounts and promotions. Plan purchases during sales and use coupons, but don't let discounts tempt you into buying things you don't need. Always compare prices and evaluate the real benefit. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single income source is risky. Consider additional ways to earn freelancing, small investments, or selling your services or products. This will strengthen your financial position. Thank you for watching this video to the end. We hope these tips help you become more financially literate and confident in managing your finances. Remember, the journey to stability begins with the first step. Even small changes can lead to big results. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on new helpful content. Share your thoughts in the comments. Which tips have you already implemented or plan to try? Now go for it, set your financial goals and achieve them. See you in the next video.